Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're talking about T-Mobile and how it's increasing some prices or fees, should I say, to Metro customers. So, of course, Metro by T-Mobile is owned by T-Mobile, and of course, T-Mobile is doing this because inflation, a couple other things. But let's get into it and see exactly what this fee is. So definitely, there's going to be some fees going up, not prices. So let's get into it and see what that is. So it says Metro by T-Mobile. So it says, despite the recent commitment not to follow the competitors' examples to jack up the prices. Remember, a lot of people are jacking up prices like Verizon and AT&T. A lot of prepaid carriers want to say that they're not going to raise their prices. I know, T-Mobile has said that they wouldn't do it, but of course, this is going to be a fee, not technically a bill price increase. But let's get into it. Like it says, T-Mobile has taken the subscribers by surprise, and that's not in a good way. It's actually in a bad way. Usually T-Mobile is doing some amazing things to make people feel like, wow, we're getting a good value for our money. And they are. T-Mobile's still a real good, bang for your buck, and so is Metro by T-Mobile and other prepaid services. But it says, several times of late, increasing various forms of taxes and fees. The latest such change is reportedly scheduled to come in effect, as early as September 1st. So that's basically like a week away. And although it's easily avoidable and far from lifestyle altering, they're pretty sure that it's going to get some Metro by T-Mobile customers, pissed off or mad, should I say. It says, so if you have Metro by T-Mobile, which is a prepaid brand and not, T-Mobile, it says, there's going to be a service hike. So it says hiking your bill payment processing fee from $4 to $5 a month. So so it's not a big increase like $4 or $5. So it's going to be $1. So the processing fee right now is $4. It's going to go to $5. So it's not going to be, like I said, it's not going to be life changing, altering, a big change in your lifestyle, or you have the budget for this. $1's a dollar, but still, fees are going up, and usually when you let one slide up, $1 slide, maybe another one will slide, and there we go. So that's how prices usually go up. It says, if said fee doesn't sound familiar, it's probably because you have auto pay enabled on your account, or you take advantage of your monthly bill through the official Metro by T-Mobile website. So you do not get charged this fee, guys, if you are doing the auto pay. So if you have auto pay through Metro by T-Mobile, you will not be affected by this. So you probably are not affected at all. So you're not getting charged that $4 processing fee. But now, like I said, it's going to be $5. Or if you go through the website. If you go through the website and pay your bill, you're good. But if you call customer service, so like a phone assistant, or you go to a brick and mortar store, they will catch you by surprise because they will charge you these fees every month. So if you call, like I said, customer service, and they're like, hey, there's a processing fee. That's that fee that we're talking about. Or if you go to a brick and mortar store, which is kind of dumb. If you go to a store, you want people to go to a store and pay their bill, because then you can upsell them on accessories. So I never understood why charge them, in the store. It says, of course, it's not a big difference, and, it's not going to really make people, leave Metro by T-Mobile because they're getting such good value for their money. But, it's still, there's other competitors like Boost Mobile and Cricket, and who knows, pretty soon they might start doing the same thing. But right now, it's just Metro by T-Mobile. And like I said, this is just a way for them to gain more revenue. Of course, with inflation going up, things are going up. I just literally got a case of water, what was it, like a 40-pack water. It's usually, $5. Let's say now it's about $6. So it's definitely going up. Things in grocery store, you're seeing this going up, gas going up, houses, everything's going up due to inflation. So this is just another thing that hit people's wallet. But like I said, at least it's just $1. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know, are you a Metro by T-Mobile customer? Are you thinking about switching this? Is this dollar increase going to affect you at all? Let me know in the comments below. Like I said, Dragon Warfare sign off, and more videos coming your way. Thank you.